Suppose you are driving your car from here, point A to point B. Okay, you know, when we drive, say suppose it is some 20 kilometers distance between A and B. When you drive the car or when you're traveling in the car, you can see the sometimes when the road is free, it accelerates with a good speed, maybe 60 kilometer per hour, and then suddenly somebody crosses the road and you reduce the speed to say 20 kilometer per hour. So basically, whenever we travel, whenever we move, we experience acceleration. Acceleration could be a positive value or negative value. Positive values are called acceleration, negative values are called deceleration. Negative means we are reducing the speed. Positive means we are increasing the speed. Okay, suppose you are jogging. Suppose you are jogging. You started jogging in the morning. You started running, and initially you are very active, very energetic. You are running with a good speed of 1 meter per second. After some time, you found yourself quite tired, so you reduced your speed to say 0.5 meter per second. Now I can say that you are decelerating your speed when you got tired. Okay, so that's what about acceleration. Now let's see mathematically how we can represent. I told you acceleration is nothing but the rate of change of velocity, how velocity changes with time. So it is delta v by delta t, that is say v2 minus v1 by t2 minus t1. Okay, so that's how mathematically acceleration is determined. Let's take an example. A bike goes from 10 meter per second to 30 meter per second in 5 seconds. Okay, what is the acceleration? Acceleration is, we know, acceleration is delta v by delta t. What is the change in velocity here? What is the final velocity? 30 meter per second. What was the initial velocity? 10 meter per second. In how much time this change happened? It happened in 5 seconds. So acceleration is equal to 20 by 5. That is 4 units. What is the unit of acceleration? Acceleration is delta v by delta t, right? What is the unit of change in velocity? Velocity is meter per second. By what is the unit of time? Second. So the unit of acceleration must be meter per second square. So in the previous example, it is 4 meter per second square. That simply means there is a change of 4 meter per second of velocity in 1 second. Okay, that is 4 meter per second per second. There is this much change in velocity per second. That is what is acceleration is. Okay, and acceleration is not just about the increase in speed. It can also mean a decrease in speed, or that means slowing down. In such cases, acceleration is negative and is called deceleration, as I told you. Okay, and one more thing, acceleration could be instantaneous. This is acceleration over a period of time. Okay, and I'm asking you, what is the instantaneous acceleration? Instantaneous acceleration is nothing but it is dv by dt. Okay, at this moment the time is very small. It's like limit delta t tending to 0, delta v by delta t. This is what is instantaneous acceleration is. For a very small change in time, what is the change in velocity? That is instantaneous acceleration.